Hello everyone and welcome back to another Gloo tutorial. In this video we're going to look over the Price Plus widget. Now this gives us additional control over how the price is displayed versus the standard WooCommerce way, giving you the flexibility and control that you want. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. So what we're going to do now is take a look at the Price widget and show you how this works. To look at our Price Plus widget. So if we go ahead and search for this, we've got a new widget called Price. If we drag that into view, so what this widget allows us to do is display exactly what we want on the product listing. So we have an option here for default variation price, and we can either do default, highest price and discount price, and lowest price and discount price. And of course this applies to the variation products where there is potentially a price range between the different attributes. So let's leave ours for default for now. And then we have some further options, which are the toggle regular and sale price, use for archive loop, and display for both prices. So as you can see, you've got a lot more control over what you want to see and where. So if we jump into the style options, we have all the usual style options for price, and of course for the sale price, so you can really make the sales price kind of pop where you want it to. So let's hit center on this. So let's go ahead and leave the regular price styling options. So let's take a look and see what it does when we change the style of the sale price. So let's go ahead and use our accent color, and we're going to make the font slightly larger on this and slightly heavier. And when we take a look at this in the front end, there you go, you can see that the sale price is actually a lot bigger than the regular price. So that's it for another video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.